Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create beautiful grid patterns to your design in Canva. What you have to do now, you can open Canva. This is the PC version, desktop version that you can download for free from official website. Don't forget to sign in or sign up with your account. So here we go. You can click apps and design essentials to start, and then you can scroll down and try to find Can Grid. Create a beautiful grid patterns. So you can custom use Can Grid to easily generate grid patterns for a professional look in your design. To get started, you can use in existing design if you have a project, or you can click use in new design. And here we go. So here you can try to, this is the preview of the grid. So and here you can choose the shape. For example, this one or this one, and this one. So here we have a 3 grids, and here you can choose aspect ratio, and also here you can double click, you can try to rotate, and the next one also you can rotate. So if you're done, you can try to add to design and save to your projects. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.